Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, happy New Year's Eve. Here we are, the very last day of December and the very last day of 2021. I know many of you are so happy to see it go, and some people may be a little melancholy about it and not too sure if they want to let 2021 go. But regardless, today what I have for you is my Birchbox. And I believe this is my monthly box for December. It's a little late, but that's okay. And so I want to unbox that for you. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside my Birchbox, please do stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. It has been a whirlwind of a year, 2021. I mean, I don't know where 2020 ended and where 2021 began. I mean, it's been just like this one long stretch of craziness. I mean, for me at least. And I don't know about you, but yeah, it's been a little cuckoo out there. And so hopefully 2022 will bring us something different. But as you know, we're starting the same way that we started 2021, unfortunately. And we do have a spike in COVID infections out there and COVID deaths again, unfortunately. And so I want you guys to be really careful out there. And this is a much more of a contagious strain, the Omicron, but it is not as virulent is the scientific word. I'm trying to think what that is. It's highly contagious, but it's not as worse. That Delta really made you sick, and it really knocked you out. But whereas the Omicron, not so. This is what science is showing currently. But as you know, it changes day to day. Even the CDC's like, oh, we're a little confused because things keep changing every day. And it's hard to keep up with these viruses mutating, right? And so, yeah, there's a huge challenge for the medical people and everything else. So, because I know, doctors and nurses are now affected and they're getting sick too. And so they're people. And so, yeah, pray for them, please. Okay, so enough of that. That's kind of sad, huh? But no, that's not what I intended it to be. But let's go ahead with the affirmations of the quote of the day. And let me find my app. And, is it going to recognize my face? Okay, here we go. And here we go. And let's go ahead and look. Okay. Ew, what is that? Oh, it looks like an animal, like a beast. Yesterday, I noticed when I edited, I did not get it in. There you go. I think that is probably in focus. And you see that little animal with the eyes? And it says, look in the mirror. That's your competition. Oh, I like it. Look in the mirror. That's your competition. And I really do like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put a heart on it because, there's a lot of people out there that's always trying to keep up with the Joneses. And that's the old saying, right? Trying to keep up what's happening with your next door neighbors and neighbors now on social media and things like that. But your true competition should be yourself. And it should be yourself should be the benchmark, the line that you see. So anytime you want to improve upon yourself, don't look at another person, but look and see where you've been and look and see where you want to get to. How are you doing? And sometimes, you can actually map it out, and it's pretty interesting. And I know this is geeky, I get it. But if you had a good day, you could put a dot on that day, and then next day you had a great day, put a higher dot, and it was okay again, put a dot here, and then you just kind of like dot it out, and you can graph it out and see how your mood works. And when you actually, because the mood has a lot to do with how you see yourself. This is what I'm trying to get at. Okay, I'm going to make this a real long story. But what I'm trying to say is get to know yourself. Get to know yourself because you are your own competition. And what do you have to do to improve upon yourself? You have to improve your mood. You have to improve your agility, your resilience. So look at those to yourself in the mirror instead of looking at somebody else. God, did I take that all the way around the block and some? So yeah, anyway, we're going to be in 2022 if I don't shut up and move on, right? Sorry about that. So yeah, that was okay. That was an okay affirmation. Yeah, not great, but yeah, definitely true though. I mean, do think about it. Okay, and I'm a highly competitive too. Okay, here we go. This is the box that I have a hard time with. Okay, here we go. I need to end 2021 with my Birchbox opening. Okay, here we go. See, competing with myself. This is, I'm competing with my last month's self because last month it went well. But I swear it's the box. It depends on when they do the, when they make these boxes. But okay, these things are all the way around. So far, so good. I just need to be patient and take a step at a time. And I know, sometimes I'm editing my videos and I notice I talk really fast. And it's true. And I'm that way making speeches too. And sometimes I have to slow down and say, you guys, do you know what I just said? Because I'm not sure I do. So anyway, so yeah. Okay, here we go. Birchbox as it is. And this is the box that the prices, you can get different prices. And what mine ended up being is like, I think it was $8. I can't remember. $8 a month because I did an annual thing and it was a huge sale at the time. And they do change and you can get good deals. Oh, look at this box. Very cute. Right? I think it's upside down. It's like a bunch of buildings and houses. Look at that. Very nice. I like it. And this has got a nice little Birchbox label. And these are monthly boxes, as I said. But the thing is, everything in here is samples. And I know that. And I'm okay with that. And I order it knowing that, right? It's not like, you think you're going to get a full sizes and all of a sudden it's all sample sizes. It's not like that. So here it is. It comes in a little, it comes with a little box. It comes with a little box. It comes in a little box, actually. It comes with a little card. Okay, and it looks like it says, "'Tis the season to be well." It is. Holiday chaos / calm. So in other words, get rid of that chaos and bring in the calm. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on my glasses. On the back, it does tell you what is in the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. And it says, "'Tis the season to be well. Your December beauty box is filled with selections to brighten your holidays with peace, joy, and self-care." Yay! I'm all for self-care. And it's in like that. And so let's take a look and see what's in here. And real quick, it comes in a tissue like that. And like I said, they are all sample sizes. And I find really nice things in here. Already, I think I'm going to like it. Alrighty. First thing here is called Hero Clear Collective Serum Toner. I like serum toners. And this is for AM and PM. And let me tell you a little bit about that. And this is by Hero Cosmetics. And this hydrating serum meets pore refining toner, tunes up your oil moisture balance for bouncy, velvety, soft skin. Press toner in slightly damp skin after cleansing. So yeah, I always put toner on, while my skin is still moist. So, yep, okay. And I'm almost out of my Paula's Choice toner, the hydrating toner, and that's like my holy grail. And I mean, they've been out for a long time and I need it. So I'm almost out, but maybe I'll go ahead and give this a try. Yep, all right. And next is this teeny tiny thing. I've had this before. This is called this Hydrating Serum Air Repair. And let's see, it's like this. It's teeny tiny. And this protection prevents serum is, it's a skin will drink up the serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to face and neck. And the full size of this is $26, okay? And the full size of this here is actually affordable, $12.99. Toners aren't that expensive. So yeah, okay. That's okay. And I will try this. This is interesting. I like hyaluronic acid, so I'll go ahead and try that. Okay, protect and prevent. Okay, the next thing in here, this looks really, really familiar, but yeah, here it is right here. It looks familiar because I've gotten this brand before, but I don't think I've gotten a treatment mask. This is a brightening treatment mask. The full size would be $69, which is kind of expensive. But this peel-off mask recharges skin from the surface for an instant brightening glow. Apply to a clean face and leave on for 30 minutes before gently removing it in one single piece. You know what? I should try this on Mask Monday, ladies. I really should, because I don't think I've ever done a peel-off mask, and it'll be pretty interesting. I haven't done a peel-off mask in a long time. Let me see if these things... Oh, good. It does come with a little seal there, which I appreciate. That's good. So yeah, maybe I will. It might be funny though, because if I can get it off, you know. You know me pulling and trying to shop. Yeah, I'm always good for a laugh though. Okay, the next thing is called a Drama Bomb by Uoma. And what is it? Okay, here it is right here. And Uoma Beauty, it's Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Okay, the full size would be $10.95. This smudge proof and water resistant to formula is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It glides out smoothly, adding volume and length to every lash without the hassle of applying falsies. You know what? I will give it a try because you know I do waterproof. This is water resistant. Sometimes water resistant doesn't work. Well, matter of fact, I haven't met any water resistant mascara that works because it still does. I mean, when I put water on my face, splash water on my face, it still runs a little bit. But I'll give this a try. I'll keep an open mind. Yeah, it's actually kind of neat looking. So there it is. Okay. And I'm open to ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this and try it. And maybe I will discover a brand new mascara that, you know, I don't use yet. So, and let's see. Yeah, I'm just looking to see what kind of chemicals it has on there. It doesn't, okay. Yeah, okay. It doesn't look like there's any strong chemicals. There's certain things I don't like to use around my eyes. And yeah, so yeah. So this is made in Italy, by the way. And that's that. And then the next thing, which I really don't like, to be honest with you, because I don't know, it's kind of creepy for me. Yeah. It's these pillow sprays. This is Deep Sleep Pillow Sprays by This Works. Okay. And it says here, we're turning to this pillow spray whenever we need help catching some Z's. Mist directly onto the pillow, then lay back and take a few deep breaths as you drift off to sleep. The full size would be $29. First thing first, okay? Medical person here. You can never sleep. You can never catch up on sleep like that. You cannot stack sleep. You can't like deprive yourself of sleep for like 1 week and all of a sudden 1 day a week you're going to catch up on all of those hours. You just can't do it. Your body has already stressed through that time. All right. And so, I mean, you can't catch up on sleep. I mean, granted, you could get more sleep for that day or maybe for the next day, but you cannot catch up on that week of sleepless days that you had, and the damage to the body, if there's going to be, is done. Okay, so that's really important to understand. And so yeah, and I don't like these. Number one, I don't like putting things on my pillow because my hair goes on there, and I'm like, what is that? And plus, I don't like things that feel moist. And I don't know if that's the case. Have you guys ever used pillow mists before? I tried one time, and it felt like really, I mean, it was like that lavender smelly thingy, and I got it from one of the boxes, and I said, let me try it. I just misted it a couple of times. It even said you could 3 or 4 times. I just did like twice maybe. And I swear I felt moist the whole night. It might be in my head, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't like that. But you know what? Some people might, and it is sealed nicely. So I'll go ahead and throw this into the giveaway because somebody may like it. I just don't like it. And you know, this would be great to actually take on a travel, you know, and spray the pillows. Not like you're going to be standing there with stinky pillows, but you know, yeah, no. So yeah, that's that. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. It was a quick unboxing, but as you know, tomorrow, which is New Year's Day, I will be announcing the winner of the appreciation at the end of year 2021 into 2022 giveaway, okay? So I will be doing that. Matter of fact, I will choose somebody today, the 31st, in order to have it recorded for tomorrow. But I hope you guys are doing well. And what are your plans? I know a couple of you guys said we're going to stay home. We're going to watch the ball drop. That seems like to be the safest thing to do. I'm doing the same thing. People ask me, you know, what are you doing? Normally, in the West Coast here in California, by the time the ball drops, I'm like half asleep or I am asleep. I have missed New Year's on this side. That's why I actually enjoy the previous time zones, right? You got the Eastern, you have Central, then you have Mountain, and then us. And so I watch all of the balls drop from there. I even watch balls drop in Singapore, okay? That way, so, yeah, which should be happening here soon because they're like a day ahead of us, yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, I want you guys to be safe. You know, if you don't have to go out, if you don't have to visit friends and stuff and family, don't. Because don't take the chance. It is really crazy out there. it's downright scary, okay? So yeah, and especially if you're not vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, you definitely need to stay in, because those people that have been vaccinated, fully vaccinated and boosted, are coming positive for COVID, but they're not suffering as much. As you guys know, my daughter and her roommate actually ended up with COVID, and their illness lasted probably maybe 3 days. The worst thing for them was a high fever, very high fever for the first day, and really bad headache, and that was it, and they recovered okay, but they were fully vaccinated, and her roommate was boosted. So yeah, so it's, I mean, that's how bad it is out there. So yeah, but at least, you know, you're not going to end up in a hospital if you're already they're fully vaccinated. Well, at least hope not. So yeah, do consider it. But like I said, it's your choice. I don't push it any other way. I am fully vaccinated. So is my husband. And yeah, and I think I'm due for my booster, but I'll get to that. But I don't even want to go out the house to do that, right? So, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys stay safe. I truly do, because I do love you all. And again, this is the last video of 2021. Kind of good, but kind of sad. But here we are. We will be embarking on a new trip together, new journey together in 2022. So, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you have not subscribed yet, I'm going to scoot over so you can see that subscribe button right there. There's one down here, really, that looks just like that. And if you just scoot over, ring the bell, and select all, so you know every time I upload a new video. And just a real quick reminder, I will be going down to between 3 and 4 videos a week. And I did do a poll, and majority of you wanted me to post Saturdays and Sundays, and of course Mask Monday ladies. And so depending on how many days, 3 or 4 days, and I will try with 4 to begin with, because I am leaving my current job, and I will be going to another position, and which is a good thing. And I will be traveling a little bit further. So yeah, and so there's no way I can get a video up every day, because I will be on site, no longer working remote. Okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, and a good weekend. And just remember, doesn't matter when you watch this, but what does matter is, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you next year. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, seriously, I can't believe 2021 went by so fast. Okay, here we are in 2022. I'm going, oh, really? What happened? Where? Did I like sleep half of it away? Because it feels so weird, right? I mean, how about you guys? I mean, 2020 and 2021 kind of blended, and all of a sudden it's 2022. I mean, the 2020 and 2021 just met, had babies, and it's 2022. But whoa, it's like, okay. But it is really, really fast. And it's like, you know, is the Earth spinning faster on its axis? Is that what it is? Because, you know, I remember people say older you get, faster time goes. But my daughter's young. She's a kid still. And she's like, no, mommy, it is going by really fast. For me too. And so I'm like, okay, so we got a problem here. We got to stop this Earth from spinning so fast. So anyway, and gravity doesn't help, you know what I mean? So yeah. Anyway, enough of my chattering. I want you guys to have a wonderful New Year's Eve, and please stay safe, and I will see you next year, God willing. I love you all.